So my name is Jolene Batie and my community project is Staying Sustainable and my partner is Meet the Mountains. So I'm a senior at ETSU and I'm majoring in history and double minoring in film and media studies and change making. My project is a sustainability educational kit that is open resource for K-12 students. It essentially focuses on the 3 R's of sustainability, so reduce, reuse, and recycle. So sustainability means a lot to me because it's not just about caring for the environment, it's also about caring for each other. And this is something that I want to foster in our youth to make our future so much better. So the direct impact of my project is, of course, the K-12 students that I'm trying to teach, but then a ripple effect happens, right? The students are being impacted by this project, they tell their family, they tell their friends, and so on and so on. So staying sustainable is really important now because we want to keep Appalachia beautiful and we want to encourage our youth to continue keeping it beautiful, but also continue helping the world wherever they go.